journalist Chan Lilian reporting from Kampung Buah Pala. Today, on the 4th of August, there's a big of police and the residents here have actually blocked the road leading to their village with a block cart, and there are rows of children and women sitting on the road in the attempt to stop the demolition. Meanwhile, Professor Ramasamy, the Deputy Chief Minister of Penang, is here to negotiate with the Naga National and also the PBA to stop the cutting off of the power supply and water supply. And I think so far he has been successful, and right now they are waiting for the court order to stop the demolition.
Jangan meninggalkan Respite! 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 Warning, use your power! 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 Warning, use your power!
இன்னைக்கு நிப்பாட்டாரு, நாளைக்கு வரேன்னு பாரு. அப்ப நாளைக்கு நாங்க வந்து போய் உட்கார்ந்தோம் தெருவுல. அடுப்பு வீணா வந்தா இல்லையா? இல்ல சமைக்கிறது இல்ல.
Malam kita terbincang PBA. PNB ni oh in case kan.
Boleh tanya apa surat ikatan potong boleh punya surat dari court order. Sudah ada mahkamah yang order kan? No. I want a court order.
Standby.
I don't standby. No, I know. They standby for what?
Mage sugandhim pushtivattanam urvartamiva bandhanat vikshor mushiyamamrita Om Sri Namah Shivaya Om Sri Ambaram Gijamage sugandhim.
Apa dia? Saya tak boleh cakap sebab hari ini saya untuk makluman media, saya tidak terlibat di dalam pengurusan dan tidak mempunyai kuasa untuk mengarahkan sebabnya di sini penasihat undang-undang negeri. Saya tidak ada kuasa dan kita tahu ini hanyalah kuasa kerajaan. Saya hari ini datang hanya sebagai ahli parlimen dan sebagai ketua pemuda keadilan negeri Pulau Pinang yang cuba sedaya upaya setakat yang saya mampu, dan saya yakin pihak kerajaan negeri punya tanggungjawab. Saya sebagai pemimpin yang kecil, muda juga punya tanggungjawab, dan pilihan saya ialah mau bersama-sama dengan penduduk. Dan itu yang saya buat selama ini.
He said, then he talked about the court bailiff coming in, and then he has to perform his duty according to the the rate or whatever. So that was my understanding. I called him. In fact, I called him just before I came here also again.
Well, what he says just now, he says he's come to assess the situation.
There's no eviction. I don't know. I think maybe they're doing a drama or what. I don't know. What?
Corporation has said that today they want to move it.
Well, that's what the corporation says. I think they stand. But then I think we were talking to the developer. They know. So.
But if they move in now, they'll be in contempt of court.
Yeah, but it seems like the corporation is very.
I think they're very adamant. They're very stubborn. But I think I doubt it. They will move it without the support of the developer. Because all the bulldozers and all are supposed to be coming from the developer, not the corporation. So themselves also they cannot come and do it. No? I mean, just to clarify on the. I mean, corporation they can say whatever they want. I mean, I cannot control that.
Of the court order, right? And the court has given us till the date on the 18th of August for case management to be heard, to begin, right? And it is contempt of court to tamper with any evidence which is material as far as the case is concerned while the case is being heard. So that's what we have informed the corporation, we've informed the bailiff, and the bailiff has advised the contractor to not to begin any action, okay, that will be in contempt of court. That's
But
basically.
there's no guarantee that the developer could still do the...
If he follows the letter of the law,
reach
that is
the-
the law is our guarantee.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.